It's a nature walk. Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So today we made a walk into Arboretum Park in Kenya. You see, we are prepared with water, snacks, ready to walk. Guys, Arboretum is a very nice park. You all should come and visit. Let's go. So today is a Friday and it's a holiday, Easter or something. Yeah, Easter. So people haven't gone to work. Yo, there are so many team buildings in here, and hey, people are doing exercise everywhere. The park is full today. Guys, this is the Arboretum, the famous Arboretum. It's a very nice park, very big, quiet. This place you can come here to, maybe you have a team building, praying. People come here to pray. It's a very nice park for that. You can come and pray here, talk to your God. Yeah, so you can see people over there. Yo, guys, I don't like forests, to be honest. This place is too quiet. I really don't like forest. Let me just go back. I'm worried. I'm going far. Yo, I can't. I cannot. Can you hear that? That's the forest, the one forest I don't want to go into. People are in there praying. Maajabu. People are praying comfortably. In fact, there is no snake in here. That's so funny, right? It's a forest, but it has no snake. So that means it's just safe. It's very safe. Yes. Arboretum has these homely vibes, the upcountry vibes. You know how the upcountry is always quiet, just talking to trees, grass, no people. Yeah, this is Arboretum. It has that vibe. It's so nice coming here maybe on a weekend. You know, a whole week with work frustrations, and you come here, relieve yourself. Yeah, it's a vibe. You know, nature walks are stress relievers. It's true. You come here, you feel different. You reason different. You know, you can reason deeply. Yeah, meditate about things that you can't meditate during the week. You know, during the week, the head is full of work, full of shit. You know, when you come here, just release everything and start afresh. Think about your life, pray. Like I've shown you, people come here to pray. Yeah, you come here, talk to God, confess. You know, it's a very quiet place where you can confess to God, talk to God in a tone that you want. You want to scream to God, nobody will interfere with your screaming. You want to talk quietly, you want to kneel down, you want to lie down, you just want to pray, you want to cry to God. Just do it, because this place is too big in a way that your space is your space. Nobody's intruding. Nobody's interfering with your space. You know, you want to go to the bush and pray, nobody's coming there to talk to. Oh, why are you screaming, why are you shouting? No, that's why now I understand why people come here to pray. That's the reason. They want their space, and they get their space when praying. Yeah. Another thing, it's a nice place for exercise. You can come here, do your exercise. If you want to run, there is enough space, more than enough. You can run, you can walk. There's so many places, so nice places to walk. I've seen so many people walking today because it's a holiday. You know, like I said, people are here, so many of them. It's always empty, but today The park is full. People come in gym clothes, you know, and others have come with their families to chill. We have team buildings in here. We have babies who came to play because they are babies corner where they are babies, I don't know, those things for babies to play too. They are somewhere there. Babies have come here to play, and it's so nice and healthy. And there are so many monkeys in here. I don't know why I haven't met one today, or maybe I came early. There are so many of them, and they are so nice and well trained. Imagine you can they come to you. Maybe you call them, they come. Give them something to eat. Maybe it's something in a paper. They will eat it and take the trash into the dustbin. You can imagine. I'm talking about monkeys taking the trash into the dustbin. Funny, right? Imagine you and your one and only walking like this, hand in hand. This is a nice place for lovers. Guys, you won't spend a coin, but you will experience love. Come here with your loved ones, guys. Bring that chile over here. Hold her hands. Ebu, imagine kissing her right here and telling her, oh, I love you for the rest of my life. I'm going to stick to you. I'm not going to cheat, my love. I love you. Just lie to her like in such a place. I tell you, she will be fighting for you. Imagine coming with your loved one in such a place. Yeah, you see? And saying good words to her. Kissing her in front of these trees. Nature. I tell you, she'll be fighting for you. She'll be just remembering, oh, I remember arboretum, you promised you love me forever. Oh, you remember we were standing right in front of a bamboo tree, telling me how you loved me. Boy, I'm going to fight for you. You are mine forever. See this nature. Bring that chile over here. I've seen an elephant. I've seen an elephant. Just kidding. Just kidding. Guys, I gained courage. Imagine I'm in the forest. Yes, I gained courage. But, yo. Yes, I gained courage. I'm in the forest. Now let me walk fast because I don't like forest. Bring that chili over here. Bring that chili. Yeah, come lie to her in here. Arboretum. Beautiful girl, I am beautiful girl. Still in Arboretum. Now this is the last part. Then we exit the park. We go home. The place is so noisy. Kids are playing. Those are kids in red, and we have a team building over there. But that's okay. Let them feed their day. So, it's a nice park, Arboretum. You should come and visit. When you feel down, please come here and chill. Come with your storybook, maybe with a lasso. You can spread down if you want. There are so many chairs, good chairs in here. Nice places to sit. It's not a must to come with a lasso, but if you feel like you want to sit, maybe on ground. Like you want to sit on ground, you can come with a lasso spread. Come with something to eat, maybe snacks. Come with the water. Don't forget water. Come with your water. Yes, and you'll enjoy your day. You won't spend a coin, but you will enjoy. I promise you will enjoy. Just come and do something that you feel like, anything that makes you happy, come and do it. No one is going to interfere with your space. No one is coming to intrude. No, this is a park. You know how park works, right? The place is too big that if anybody comes to interfere in your space, then maybe they have something, right? Yeah. So come and enjoy. Come to Arboretum. Come see the goodness of Kenya. Come enjoy natures of Kenya. Nature is good. Nature is life. Until next time. Bye-bye.